Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas trading room on the Discord platform, to which you are sincerely invited. I stream live every day, almost throughout the whole day. I mean, throughout the London session and the American session. That's where you can see my trades live, and you can also talk to me, ask me questions. Yeah. So time for today's daily recap. What happened on the DAX? On the DAX 30 index today? Well, the wasn't very nice today. Basically, the movement, the general movement was made on the Asian session, where the price after the initial slip or drop downwards started going up, and then during the opening of the Frankfurt session to the London session, it went very flat, like a ledge, right? Very flat, and then it broke upwards, and then again kind of consolidated. I mean, the general trend was upwards, but the range of the movement was relatively small. So this is more of a consolidating character. I mean, we can see that by my consolidations that plot themselves right here. If we compare it to yesterday's market was more clear, was more clean. There were more let's say gaps between or free spaces between consolidations, so a more trending market, even though there was a bullish trend and a bearish trend, right? Both bullish and bearish, and today it was more like perhaps a correction of yesterday's bearish trend, and perhaps, I mean, today is Thursday and tomorrow is probably the first Friday of this month, even though the May 1st was the first Friday of the month, but I think that doesn't count. So yeah, basically tomorrow the market might be moving a bit more, especially on the American news, right? However, what did I do today? Well, first of all, in the morning I decided to go short, because I thought to myself, well, first I started watching this price action, and I thought to myself, well, I'm not sure whether this is gonna be a short, but I have a resistance zone right here, or perhaps a supply zone. We don't know yet, but the price action. So I thought to myself, let's see what happens after the price goes up. Well, after the price went up, it went down, like there is a practically a bearish engulfing right here. And the price started moving down slowly, so I got in short with the idea that the price might drop to somewhere around this level. Well, you can see clearly that directly on the next candle the market went up. So basically it basically rejected the bearish trend and found support right here, a perfect support and a breakout. So that's why I decided to get out of this trade right there, even manually. And I decided before I would get a stop loss, so I decided to get out of it, and I turned around at 3 lots. So like I had 2.5 lots here, I turned around at 3 lots. So I needed minimum the same 30 pips as here, because that would have already given me some profit. Well, the price initially started moving up, but then retraced again, and then started moving up again, now in a more regular fashion, and it gained some dynamics right here, Well, I was looking at the counter. I saw that I had recovered my loss with with a sufficient surplus. So I closed the trade, and I basically did the right thing because you see what happened there. The price returned again. And yes. On the next movement, it went up, but still didn't reach my initial take profit level, and moved back down again. And after that, the price actually did reach my initial take profit level, but that was a real long time, right? So basically, and everything was happening in this kind of a big consolidation type movements, so sideways movements, and that's not a very fun market to trade. Like then I took a small trade right there, but that one I took on the Renko charts. So that was basically a trade, not here. That was a later one. It was a trade right here when the price was moving up. I measured it out like this, and I clicked my expert button, and the expert did its job. So it opened a position, it trailed the stop after the third candle, and it got taken out. That's it. Yeah. And I took another one right here when the price was moving down. Perhaps that was a little bit late, but yeah, I mean late in the trend. But still, I saw that there was still some movement downwards, so I measured it out, not like this, but I measured it out, I measured it out like this. I got in. I mean, I clicked on the button opened the position, and then you see there are 3 candles downwards right here, but there wasn't enough room for the stop loss to be trailed. So then the price went. When the price was moving back up, I simply got out of the trade, thinking that it's better to have anything minimum profit than loss, right? And we can see clearly that the price was still doing some movements right there, and then came back up, but later on reached this take profit level right here. Yeah, so that's what happened. That's all I traded today. I didn't trade anything more. My platform is not working properly. There's some kind of an issue with, I don't know, Windows or something. I've had this problem before, but on a different computer, so I was thinking that maybe that computer was poor or something. Well, this one is a much better one. I mean, not the best, not the state of the art, but today, but still a pretty good one. But still, this MT4 platform is not working in the right way. Anyways, that's what happened today. I mean, we are in profit. I mean, I still haven't recovered from the loss on the silver, but I'm going in the direction. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe. Please like. I mean, if you already haven't, please subscribe. Please like and please join my Discord server. So the Dada's Trading Room on Discord. All the links are below in the descriptions, and of course you can also become my patron on patreon.com, Dada's Trading System Workshop. The link is also below in the description, and my patrons at $17 per month they get a lot of benefits. They become VIPs on my on the Dada's Trading Room. Yeah, And yeah, and that's it for today. Please keep healthy, please keep well, and see you next time. Bye.